from Nashville, Tennessee. We're on day 4 of the 10 days of craft cocktails. If you're loving this series, please comment below what's been your favorite drink so far, or what drink would you like me to recreate from the speakeasy age. That's actually when most of our cocktails came about. You'll notice I'm making gin cocktails or rum cocktails. Vodka didn't actually exist until 1946 when it came over from Russia in the Moscow Mule, which I am going to recreate. So anyhow, if you're loving this series and you would also really like my 8-step program to lose weight naturally, healthy, no money, lose that 40 pounds, that 40 inches of fat by springtime, I'm going to be creating a whole series on how to do that. That'll be starting in January, so please hit subscribe. I myself have maintained that weight loss, and it's just a wonderful, healthy way to reverse the aging process. So getting back to the drink. Again, a gin drink. Gin is just so much deeper and more complicated, I'd say, than vodka. So anyhow, I just love my gin drinks. This is a Roku Japanese gin. It's just one of my favorites. But of course, any high-end quality gin will do. You're going to need a blackberry or black currant liqueur. They're actually very easy to find at any liquor store. The more expensive would be from France, and that'd be Crème de Cassis. But you could just get a normal blackberry liqueur too. That would be fun. You'll need a lemon, and you're going to take a peeler and just peel off some lemon. Peel, so I've got a little bit of lemon peel there. We're going to rub that around the rim of the glass. We are going to be muddling the blackberries. And also you're going to take that lemon once you've peeled it and squeeze it into a larger glass. And we're going to need 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lemon juice. And you're going to have a shaker, halfway full or 3/4 full of cubed ice. So now that we know what we're going to need, we're going to go ahead and take our glass, cocktail highball glass, which has been in the freezer today, nice and cold. And I'm just going to go ahead and put some blackberries in there. I'm going to put about, I don't know, 5 or 6. And I'm just going to take my muddler. And to muddle just simply means to mash. Just a fancy word for mashing. I'm just going to mash those puppies in there. Now, the wonderful thing about this drink, of course, we're in the middle of a pandemic still. Maybe in the future there'll be no more pandemic, wouldn't that be nice? Is you have lots of antioxidants and some vitamin C. So, you know, you feel very good about drinking this drink. It is just lovely. Alrighty. So, we've got our blackberries muddled in there. And then we're going to go ahead and add some crushed ice. Alright. So now in the shaker, we're going to do 1.5 ounce of gin. So here is my little shot measuring utensil. So that is the 1 ounce. We're just going to do 1.5 of those. So we'll do 1. I didn't go all the way to the top, so I'm just kind of doing 2. Of course, you know, you never have too much gin. And then we're going to do 3/4 of an ounce of Crème de Cassis, our blackberry liqueur, whichever you're able to get hold of. And then we're going to do 3/4, the same measurement, of fresh squeezed lemon juice. If you're in a terrible bind, of course, just regular lemon juice would be fine. And then about 1/2 ounce of simple sugar. Simple sugar, I just take a mason jar, and it's 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1 cup of warm water, and I just shake the jar, keep it in my fridge. So there's my simple syrup. I'm gonna add that. We are going to shake for 15 seconds. You are going to take your lemon peel and just rub it around the edge of the glass so that you are getting the juice of the lemon. Take the lid off. and pour. Add the lemon peel and go ahead and set.